Welcome all. Regarding coding decoding, in last session we already seen coding decoding is 7 types, that is letter coding, number coding, substitutional coding, sentence coding, mathematical coding, conditional coding and matrix coding. So out of these 7 types, in last session we already seen letter coding. Now in this session we are going to discuss about number coding. Okay, so in that number coding we are having different types. Number coding means for a alphabet there must be a numerical number. For example, alphabets are A to Z. For A to Z there must be any numerical number. That numerical number must be assigned to these alphabets. Let's say for example, A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, D means 4 and so on. If that number is assigned like this, then that kind of coding is called let's say number coding. Sometimes coding may be like this also. A means 2, B means 4, C means 6, D means 8 and so on. So what does it mean? For every alphabetical letter he assigned an even number. So this kind of coding is also called number coding. Okay, so in that many models are there. We will discuss one by one. Before going to start different types of number coding, I need to quote one point, that is regarding alphabets. In session 1, if you remember, we already seen different types of alphabets. I already told you, according to English alphabets we are having 26 letters, but in our reasoning point of view, in our analytical ability point of view, alphabets are many. How? Because suppose for example I need to find out the 30th letter. How can we find the 30th letter? 30th letter can be obtained by subtracting one set from 30 letters. One set is equals to how many letters? 26 letters. That is 30 minus 26, which is equal to 4. According to alphabets, 4th letter is D. Hence 4th letter is D as well as 30th letter is also D. Okay, and if you remember in session 1 we expressed alphabets in such a way that second half of the alphabets can be expressed in reverse order. What does it mean? From A to M we expressed. A means 1, B means 2, C means 3 and so on. After expressing from A to M, instead of N to Z we expressed from Z to N. What does it mean? Expressed second half of the alphabets in reverse order. Okay, so why we are expressing second half of the alphabets in reverse order means there is a kind of coding. Sometimes coding can be possible in that way also. Okay, I need to stress on this point once again, then we will move to number coding problems. Okay, so what I mean to say is let's say alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. After this M, instead of starting N from here, I am starting N from there. We already seen in session 1. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Therefore, there are 26 alphabets on the board. So means what is the code for Z? A. R. What is the code for A? Z. Similarly, the code for B is Y and vice versa. The code for B is Y, the code for Y is also B. Similarly, coding is made in some problems in this way also. The code for M is N, the code for L is O, the code for K is P, the code for J is Q and so on. To recognize or to remember this kind of codes, we assigned some words. సెకండ్ హాఫ్ పార్ట్ని రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్లో మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేసినప్పుడు గుర్తుంచుకోవడానికి కొన్ని వర్డ్స్ రాసుకుంటాం. ఆ వర్డ్స్ ఆధారంగా కరస్పాండింగ్ కోడింగ్ని వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు రికగ్నైజ్ ఈజీలీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ఎమ్? ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ఎమ్ ఈజ్ ఎన్. దట్ యూ షుడ్ రిమెంబర్ ఇన్ దిస్ వే. హౌ? ఎన్ మీన్స్ సింప్లీ మెన్. Men means M is there, N is there. Similarly, for example, if you take L-O, L-O means we can say love, any one word, but see, I am assigning some words to remember this. L-O means love. Love means what? L is there, O is there, in that way. Similarly, K-P, K-P means Kukatpalli we can say. Kukatpalli means what? The code for K is P. like that. Similarly, J, Q. J and Q both are the cards in playing. If you know playing cards, మనం ప్లేయింగ్ కార్డ్స్ ఆడుతూ ఉంటాం కదా, సో పే కాటా అంటాం. ఆ ప్లేయింగ్ కార్డ్స్లో జాకీ కార్డు, క్వీన్ కార్డు మీన్స్ J and Q. Similarly, IR. IR means simply you can say infrared. Either infrared or idli rava we can say simply for knowing all these words. IR means idli rava we can say. Okay. HS. HS means Hyderabad, Secunderabad we can say. Similarly, GT. GT means Gandhi Tata we can say. Similarly, FU. FU means for you we can say. Similarly, EV. EV means evening we can say. Similarly, DW. You can say either down or simply in our Telangana language, dosha vada we can say. Dosha vada for recognizing the letters. CX. CX means crux we can say, kind of English word. CX means crux. Crux means C is there, X is there, in that way. Similarly, MN means boy, whereas MN means men, whereas BY means boy. Similarly, A to Z, Amazon symbol. So from A to Z. So like that we can recognize the alphabets. I need to say these alphabets once again. MN means men, LO means love, KP means Kukatpalli, JQ means jockey card, queen card, or simply jockey we can say. Similarly, IR, idli rava we can say. Similarly, HS, Hyderabad, Secunderabad we can say. And Gandhi Tata. FU means for you, EV means evening, DW means dosha vada, CX means crux, BY means boy, AZ means from A to Z. Okay, so sometimes code may be happened in this way also. So just focus on these words. Okay, after this, now we are going to discuss different types of the problems on number coding. Okay, so for alphabet there must be number must be assigned. Okay, avi ela untai we will try to discuss different types of models. Okay, we will start that. So in number coding we will take one by one problems. First one is, for example, in a certain code language PALE, in a certain code language PALE is written as 2134. I repeat, in a certain code language PALE is written as 2134. Similarly, in the same language EARTH, earth, can be written as 41509. 41509. Then what is the code for the word pearl? PEARL. He asked to find the code for the word pearl. So see, if you have an idea, pale, the code for pale is what? 2134. What does it mean? ఈ వర్డ్లో ఉన్న లెటర్స్కి వాట్ అసైన్డ్? న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ అసైన్డ్. సో వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? ఒక వర్డ్కి న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్స్ అనేవి కోడ్గా వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కోడింగ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ నెంబర్ కోడింగ్. ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్కి నెంబర్ అనేది కోడింగ్గా వస్తుంది. సో దీంట్లో ఎలా రికగ్నైజ్ చేయాలి మరి? పర్ల్ అనే దానికి కోడ్ ఎలా ఉంది అంటే, లెట్స్ సే ఫస్ట్ టైప్. సో ఇఫ్ యు అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, ఇన్ పేల్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ లెటర్? A. What is the code for the second letter? 1. Similarly, in earth, what is second letter? A. What is the code for second letter here? 1. What does it mean? So A అనే లెటర్కి ఏ నెంబర్ అసైన్ అయింది? ఇక్కడ 1 అనే నెంబరు అసైన్ అయింది. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి అంటే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ డైరెక్ట్ కోడింగ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ డైరెక్ట్ కోడింగ్. ఏదో ఒక లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నాకున్న లింక్ ఏంటి? పేల్లో ఏ ఉంది, ఎర్త్లో ఏ ఉంది. ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ద లెటర్ ఏ ఈజ్ 1. సో వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? ద హియర్ ఇన్ దిస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ఎ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్ట్ కోడింగ్. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? పీకి కోడ్ 2, ఏకి కోడ్ 1, ఎల్కి కోడ్ 3. ఐ రిపీట్, పీకి కోడ్ 2, ఏకి కోడ్ 1, ఎల్కి కోడ్ 3. సిమిలర్లీ ఈకి కోడ్ 4. ఇఫ్ యుల్ టేక్ ఎర్త్, ద కోడ్ ఫర్ ఈ ఈజ్ 4. The code for A is 1. The code for R is 5. Similarly for T 9, for H 0. Now he asked to find the code for pearl. PEARL. So observe here, what is the code for P here? 2. What is the code for E here? 4. What is the code for A here? 1. What is the code for R? R is third letter. The code for third letter is 5. Similarly, we can take L. L is available in first word. Third letter is L. The code for that L is 3. Hence, the code for the given word Pearl is 24153. This kind of coding is called direct coding. దాంట్లో కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం లేదు. P కి కోడ్ 2, A కి కోడ్ 1, L కి కోడ్ 3, E కి కోడ్ 4 and so on. So there is a concept of direct coding. Okay, by using the concept of direct coding, the answer for the given word Pearl is 24153. Remember, this is the example for direct coding. Direct coding. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Okay, now we'll take one more example. Now we'll take second example in number coding concept. Okay, for example, in a certain code language, P K R O K can be written as 72962. I repeat, in a certain code language, P K R O K is written as 72962. And one more word also given. In the same language, K R R P K is written as 29972. Then he asked to find the code for the word NJMLZ. He asked to find the code for the word NJMLZ. I hope it is very easy to identify the given word. See, observe here, PKROK. What is the code for that? 72962. See, observe common letters. Here common letters are R. Okay, common letters are R. For example, think that there is a concept of direct coding. Why? Because here 2 R's are there. The code for the 2 R's is 9. Similarly, R is there. The code for the R is 9. Think that there is a concept of direct coding. For example, K is there. So here also K is there. Code for the word K is what we are getting? 2 we are getting. Means, of course, there is a concept of direct coding. But is it possible to find the code for N? Is there any N in the given 2 words? No. Is there any J in the given 2 words? No. Is there any M in the given 2 words? No. So what does it mean? Of course, there is a concept of direct coding. But so for the given word, letters are numbering is not available. So now what we will do? We will think in different way. Direct coding concept is failed. Now we have to think in different way. See, usually in English alphabets, P means how much? P means everybody know 16. K means how much here? 11. R means how much here? 18. O means how much here? 15. Again K means how much here? 11 in English alphabets. So now what is the relation between 16 and 7? 16 and 7. So we should get an idea how 16 can be expressed as 7. 16 means 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 means how much here? 7. Okay. K means how much here? 11. 11 means what? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means what? 2. Similarly, 18 means 1 plus 8. 15 means 1 plus 5. Again K means 1 plus 1. So means direct concept is failed. That's why I am thinking in different way. So now I got the answer. Same you can, what you can say, you can check it for second word also. KRRPK you mentioned. K means 11, R means I already told you 18, P means 16, again K means 11. See, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 8, 9, 1 plus 6, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. Hence, the relation is, no, we identify the relation. So now N means what? 14. 14 means 1 plus 5. J means 10. 10 means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 means 1. M means 13. So 1 plus 3 means 4. L means 12. 12 means 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 means 3. Similarly, Z means 26th. 26th means 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Hence, the code for the given word NJMLZ is 51438. This is also very beautiful concept in number coding. Okay. Of course, he assigned direct alphabetical numbers, but if the given number is 2-digit number, then he added sum of the 2 digits. Okay. Hence, we are getting coding word. Okay, I hope you understood for these two examples. Now we will try to take some other examples. Okay, now third one in number coding. Okay, now we will take third example. For example, in a certain code language, LEADER, leader. In a certain code language, leader is written as 20, 13, 9, 12, 13, 26. Similarly, what is the code for the given word LIGHT? He asked to find out the code for the given word LIGHT. So what is the given word here? Leader, LEADER, and he asked to find out the code for the given word light. So usually L means how much here? 12. But is it there 12? No, 20 is there. What does it mean? We cannot decide. By saying only one letter we cannot decide. Still we further we can discuss second letter. E means how much? 5. But how much he mentioned? 13. What is the relation between 12 and 20? Similarly, 5 and 13 means simply he added plus 8, right? 12 ki 8 add chesanu em ochindandi 20 ochindi. Similarly, 5 ki 8 add chesanu I am getting 13. Similarly, take this one. A means 1, adding 8. 1 plus 8 9. Similarly, 4, 5, 18. See, add 8 to every letter here, adding 8 to 4, I am getting 12. 8 to 5, getting 13. Similarly, 8 to 18, 18 plus 8, how much I am getting? 26. Similarly, we need to take the corresponding alphabetical numbers. For that number, we need to add up plus 8. L means 12, I means 9, G means 7, H means 8, T means 20. Add plus 8 to each and every letter. Now what you will get? For example, 12 plus 8, again 20. 9 plus 8, 17. Similarly, 7 plus 8, 15. Similarly, 8 plus 8, 16. 20 plus 8, 28. Hence, the answer for the given word LIGHT is 20, 17, 15, 16, 28. Simply, he added 8 to each and every letter. Corresponding numbers తీసుకున్నాడు. ఆ numbers కి 8 add చేయడం ద్వారా we are getting the coding word. Okay, I hope you understood this example also. Now we'll take one more example. Let's say in a certain code language, he mentioned B is equals to 2. Similarly, mat, MAT, mat is equals to 34. Then he asked to find out the code for the word JOGLEX. I repeat, he asked to find the code for the word JOGLEX. Okay, see, by observation, simply we can say B means what here? 2. Okay, he assigned 2 for this B. What about MAT? M means everybody know 13. A means 1. T means 20. Add all these numbers. Are we getting 34? Yes. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 20, I am getting 34. Hence, what does it mean? Corresponding numbers తీసుకొని ఆ numbers ని add చేయడం ద్వారా we are getting the coded word. Okay, so apply same concept here. J means 10, O means 15, G means 7, L means 12, E means 5, X means 24. Add all these values. See what I am getting. If I add all these values, 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 7, 37. 37 plus 12, 46. 46 plus 20, 66. 66 plus 4, how much I am getting? 70. Hence, the answer for the given word JOGLEX, the code for the given word JOGLEX is 20. Simply ఎలా వచ్చింది? By adding all the corresponding numerical numbers. Okay, I hope you understood this example also. Okay, now we can discuss one more example. In a certain code language, Y means 50, BAT, bat means 46. Then what is the code for the word Goa? What is the code for the word Goa? Okay, I repeat once again. He asked to find in a certain code language, Y means 50, BAT, BAT means 46. What is the code for the given word Goa? Okay, for example, usually in English alphabets, Y means how much? 25. But instead of taking 25, how much E taken? 50. What does it mean? 25 plus, again E doubled that, 25 plus 25. 25 plus 25 how much? 50. Okay, so now observe this. B means 2, A means 1, T means 20. 20 plus 1, 21, 21 plus 21 plus 2. How much are you getting? Are you getting 46? Yes. If you will double that, we are getting 46. Okay. Now G means how much? 7. O means how much? 15. A means how much? 1. Add all these values. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. Now what you have to do? I have to double that. 23 plus 23 means how much? 46. Okay. So now once we will go to this example, is it right or not? Once we will check. B means how much? 2. MAT means 34. Okay. Directly adding. Add all these values. 10 plus 15, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 12, what you can say? 44. 44 plus 5, 49. 49, 4, 53. 53 plus 20. How much are you getting? 73. It's not 70. How much I am getting? 73 I am getting. Okay. So just correct that. It's not 70. It is simply 73. Okay. I hope you understood these three examples. First example, what is the concept involved in first example? Simply he added plus 8 to each and every letter. What is the concept involved in second example? Simply corresponding alphabets ki numbering ichadu, numbers ni add cheyadam dwara we are getting that. Okay. So it's not 70. Once again observe, it's 73. Okay. And finally, what is the concept involved in this example? Y means 25. Usually y means 50 assigned, but y means how much here? 25. He doubled that. Similarly, BAT means I am getting only 23. He doubled that, 46. When I am adding these three, what does it mean? 7, 15, 6. Again I am getting 23. If I doubled that, how much I am getting? 46. Hence, answer for this third one is 46. I hope you understood these examples. We will discuss some other models. For example, in a certain code language, hotel, HOTEL, hotel is written as 55. Then what is the code for the given word bore? He asked to find the code for the given word bore. I repeat the question once again. In a certain code language, hotel, HOTEL, hotel is written as 55. Then what is the code for the given word bore? Okay, that is one example. See, we will see the answer here itself. Hotel. First we will assign the corresponding numerical numbers. H means how much? 8. O means how much? 15. T means how much? 20. E means how much? 5. L means how much? 12. Add all these values. What we are getting? So simply 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 20, how much I am getting? 60. Actually I am getting 60, but how much E assigned? 55. What does it mean? How much E subtracted? 5 E subtracted. 60 minus 5, how much I am getting? 55 we are getting. Okay. Same concept we can apply for the word bore also. B-O-R-E, bore. B means how much? 2. O means how much? 15. R means how much? 18. E means how much? 5. Add all these values. What I am getting? See, 2 plus 18, 20. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 20, how much I am getting? 40. How much I need to subtract now? 5 I need to subtract. 40 minus 5 means how much? 35. Okay. This is the preferable answer. But sometimes you may get the doubt also. That is, see, you may think in this point of view also. How? For example, I am adding all these numerical numbers. How much I am getting? 60. Since the given word hotel, is having 5 letters, he subtracted simply 5. But the given word board is having only 4 letters, he can subtract 4 also. Then which one is answer? Is it 35 or 36? Means that depends on the nature of the given options. Usually options cannot be in controversy. Okay, ala controversy options antu emi undavu. Dintlo 5 unnai kabatti hotel ane word lo there are 5 letters. So kabatti 5 subtract chesadu, 5 తీసివేశాడు. అదే విధంగా బోర్ లో 4 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 4 తీసేయచ్చు. You can think in that way, or in general he subtracted 5, that's why I subtracted 5 there also. Hence my answer is how much here? 35. So sometimes it need to be 35, 36 also, as I told you. If you subtract 4, how much you will get? 36 you will get. Okay, I hope you understood. That depends on the nature of the given options. Usually options అనేవి కాంట్రవర్సీగా ఏమి ఉండవు, ఏదో ఒకటే సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. Now one more example. Let's say in a certain code language AT is 20. In the same language BAT means 40. Then what is the code for the given word cat? I repeat the complete question once again. In a certain code language at means 20, bat means 40. Then he asked to find the code for the given word cat. Okay, see, observe here 20 ఎలా వచ్చిందో చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ a అంటే ఎంత? 1. t means how much here? 20. So 1 is there, 20 is there. If I am adding both, I should get 21, but 20 is there. If I will subtract both, 20 minus 1, 19 I have to get, but how much there? 20 is there. Okay, so keep aside. We cannot say directly multiplication, addition or subtraction. We can take second word also, so that you will get the idea. Second word is what? bat. B means 2, a means 1, t means 20. If I am adding, is it possible to get 40? No. What does it mean? There is a concept of multiplication. 1 into 20 is equals to 20, 2 into 1 is equals to 2, 2 into 20 is equals to 40. There is a concept of multiplication. So same concept you can applicable for the given word cat also. The given word cat means C means how much? 3, A means how much? 1, T means how much? 20. Multiply all these 3. 3 into 1, 3. 320 is how much? 60. Hence our required answer is 60. Or else the code for the given word cat is how much I am getting? 60 I am getting. Okay, I hope you understood this beautiful example also. The concept involved in this example is multiplication. Alphabets ki numerical number assign చేశాడు. ఆ numerical numbers ని multiply చేయడం ద్వారా, గుణించడం ద్వారా ఆ కోడ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అయింది. Okay, now similarly we can take one more example. Okay, in a certain code language, for example man, man is written as 84. Similarly bat is written as 69. Then what is the code for the given word RAM? I repeat the complete question once again. In a certain code language, man means 84, bat means 69. Then he asked to find out the code for the given word RAM. Roughly, randomly, we will assign the numbers. M means how much? 13. A means how much? 1. N means how much? 14. Once add all these, are we getting 84? You will get the idea. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 14 how much? 28. But is it there 28 here? No. How much there? 84. We cannot conclude anything. Means we are not finding any relation between the given word and numerical number. Just go to second word bat. B means 2, A means 1, T means 20. Once again, or else you can multiply 3 or you can add 3. 20 plus 1, 20. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 20, how much I am getting? 23. But is it there 23 here? No. What does it mean? See, 23. If I am adding all these numbers, I am getting 23. Whereas if I am adding all these numbers, I am getting 28. How we can get 84 from 28? Similarly, how we can get 69 from 23? Think logically. 28 threes are multiplying 28 with 3. 23s are 60, 8 threes are 24. 60 plus 24, how much I am getting? 84. What does it mean? He multiplied the given the obtained number with 3. Similarly, 23 I am getting, multiply 23 with 3. 23 threes are 60, 3 threes are 9. 60 plus 9, how much I am getting? 69. So దీంట్లో ఉన్న కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి? ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ కి న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్ అసైన్ చేశాడు. Then simply he added all the numerical numbers. I am getting some number. That number is multiplied by 3. So same concept we are going to apply for this example also. RAM అన్నాడు. RAM means what? 18 plus 1 plus 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 18, how much I am getting? 32. Okay. And once again, 13 plus 1, 14. 14 plus 18, 32. Now after getting this number, what I have to do? Multiply this 32 with 3. 33s are 90. 2 3s are 6. 90 plus 6, how much I am getting? 96. Hence, the answer for the given word RAM is 96. These are the 3 beautiful examples. Once again, example number 1 లో simply ఏం చేశాడు? Alphabetical numbers assign చేశాడు, subtracted 5, I am getting answer as 35. ఈ second example లో there is a concept of multiplication. Numerical number assign చేశాడు, every number ని multiply చేశాడు, I am getting the answer. Similarly, in third example also assigned alphabetical numbers and added after obtaining certain number, that number is multiplied by 3. So hence answer is how much here? 96. I hope you understood these 3 examples also. Now we will discuss some other examples in number coding. Okay, I hope you are getting all these concepts. Next example is in a certain code language. For example, TGT. TGT is written as 7. In the same language, PGT. PGT is written as 3. Then what is the code for the given word TET? I repeat the question once again. In a certain code language, TGT is written as 7. In the same language, PGT is written as 3. Then what is the code for the given word TET? TGT ఒక సంకేత భాషలో TEGTని 7గా, PGTని 3గా రాసిన టెట్ అనే పదానికి కోడ్ ఏది అనేది ఆ క్వశ్చన్ యొక్క మీనింగ్. ఓకే, చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. రఫ్లీ విల్ అసైన్ ద నెంబర్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్? T means 20 and here G means 7. Again T means 20. 20 plus 7, 27. 20 plus 27 plus 20, how much I am getting? 47. But how much there here? Simply 7 is there. From 47 we have to get 7. Okay, I am not getting any concept. Now what we will do? PGT. P means 16. Again G means 7. T means 20. See, for example, you may think in that way. How? Here middle number is 7, simply taken 7. But is it applicable for second word? Here middle number is 7. Again, is there 7? No. That's why that condition fails. We should think in some other way. How? See, add these two values. 20 plus 7. How much I am getting? 27. From 27, subtract 20. Subtracting 20 from 27. How much I am getting? 7. Okay. Whether this concept is applicable for second word or not, we will see. 16 plus 7. How much I am getting? 23. Subtracting 20 from 23. How much I am getting? 3. Hence, that relation is established here. The meaning enti? First two numbers ki unna alphabets ni add chesi last number ni subtract cheyadam dwara we are getting coded word. Okay, same concept we can applicable for TET also. See, what is there here? T means 20, E means 5, again T means 20. 20 plus 5, 25. So subtracting 20 from 25, how much I am getting? 5. Hence the code for the given word TET is how much I am getting? 5. Okay, now we will take one more example. In a certain code language, again this question is repeated in a certain code language. Hotel is written as 300. Then in the same language, what is the code for the given word bore? I repeat the question once again. In a certain code language, hotel is written as 300. Then what is the code for the given word bore? See, this question already we have seen just now 3-4 problems back. Okay, same concept, but here number is defined, different number, different concept involved in this question. Okay, first assign the numbers. H means how much? 8. O means how much? 15. T means how much? 20. E means 5. Similarly, L means 20. Add all these numbers. How much I am getting? 15 plus 5, 20. 8 plus 12, 20. So here 20 means how much I am getting? 60 I am getting. I am getting 60, but here how much there? 300 is there. How I am getting 300 from 60? Means 60 is multiplied by 5. I am getting 300. Similarly, apply same concept for second word also. Bore. B means 2. O means 15. R means 18. E means 5. Add all these values. 15 plus 5, 20. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 20 how much? 40. 40 should be multiplied by how much? 5. 40 into 5, how much you are getting? 200. Again, you may get that out. Earlier we have seen some concept. In previous question, he subtracted 5 and again I subtracted 5. So here also first number is multiplied by 5. That's why second number is also multiplied by 5. If you are unable to find this answer, then you should think in some other point of view also. How the given word hotel is having how many letters? 5 letters. Since it is having 5 letters, multiplied by 5. For example, B-O-R-E, bore. Bore is having 4 letters. You need to multiply with 4. 40 into 4. How much you will get? 160 you will get. It depends on the nature of the options. Controversy ga undavu intamu cheppinatuga dintlo 5 unnai kabatti 5 tho chesadu, dantlo only 4 unnai kabatti 4 tho multiply cheyochu. Leda ala kaakunda in general ga, so ikkada into 5, there also into 5. Simply I am getting the answer. Okay, you can think in two ways. Answer is, it depends on the nature of the given options. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now we can discuss one more example in a certain code language. For example, China. In a certain code language, China is written as 38126. 38126. Similarly, Nepal. Nepal. Nepal is written as 25769. I repeat this once again. In a certain code language, China is written as 38126. Then Nepal is written as 25769. Then what is the code for the given word PLAINE? He asked to find the code for the given word PLAINE. Okay, now just identify the common letters in the given two words. Here first letter is how much? First common letter how much there? N is there, N is there. What is the code for N here? 2. Similarly, what is the code for N here? 2. Since I am getting same number for 2 letters, then in that point of view, you should think that there is a concept of direct coding. Ila unnappudu usual ga direct coding ane concept undani identify cheyali. Chuddam further ga. A teeskondi. A means how much? 6. So here A means how much? 6. So it is cleared. What does it mean? China 38126. Nepal 25769. What does it mean? There is a concept of direct coding. Now we have to find out the code for the given word plane. Usually P means how much there here? 7. That's why 7. L means how much there? 9. Similarly, A means how much there? 6. And I means how much there? 1. N means how much there? 2. And finally E means how much there? 5. Hence the code for the given word plane, PLAINE, is 796125. Hence, this is the answer. So, these are the three beautiful examples. In first example, he added first two letters and subtracted third one. Whereas in second one, hotel is added all. I am getting 60. 60 is multiplied by 5. That's why added all the numerical numbers of Bor. It is also multiplied by 5. Similarly, China. In this case, there is a concept of direct coding. Okay. I hope you understood. These are the, still many models are there, but these are the some of the main models in number coding part. I hope you understood this number coding. Next, we will discuss some other type in coding decoding. We finished number coding. So, with this, two types finished in coding decoding. One is letter coding and second one is number coding. Now, we will discuss one more type, that is mathematical coding. Third type in coding decoding, that is mathematical coding. Okay. So, now once we will see mathematical coding. Before going to see the different types of examples in mathematical coding, first of all, we need to know one concept, that is BODMAS rule concept. I hope you already seen, I think you already known about this BODMAS rule concept. Okay. We will discuss what is BODMAS. Actually, regarding this mathematical coding, I am going to give only 2-3 problems because we have one separate topic in our analytical ability, that is mathematical operations. In mathematical operations, regarding this BODMAS rule, in detailed we will discuss. Okay. But right now, just we will have a overview. Okay, about this mathematical coding. Okay. 1-2 problems we will discuss, then remaining problems or remaining different models we will discuss in mathematical operation part. Okay. Now, what is BODMAS? So, here B means what? B stands for bracket. B ante bracket annam. O ante enti? Off annam. D ante enti? D means division. Similarly, M means what? M means multiplication. Similarly, A means what? A means addition. Similarly, S means what? S means subtraction. Okay. So, this is the concept here. What does it mean? ముందుగా ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో ఎక్కడైనా బ్రాకెట్ కనుక ఉంటే ముందుగా బ్రాకెట్ పార్ట్నే సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ బ్రాకెట్ పార్ట్ లేకుండా ఆఫ్ అనే వర్డ్ కనుక ఉంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 4% ఆఫ్ 500 అన్నాడు. 4% ఆఫ్ 500 మీన్స్ దాంట్లో ఏముంది? ఆఫ్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉంది. యూజువల్గా ఆఫ్ అంటే మళ్ళీ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ఇంటూ సింబల్ ఆల్సో, బట్ ఆ విధంగా ఆఫ్ అన్నప్పుడు తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆఫ్ ఉంటుంది, తెలుగులో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆఫ్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏమీ ఉండదు. ఓకే. సో, ఈ ఆఫ్ లేనప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? డివిజన్, later on multiplication, next addition, and finally subtraction. See, we need to follow this procedure. ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్లో ముందుగా బ్రాకెట్ పార్ట్ కనుక ఉంటే దాన్నే సింప్లిఫై చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో బ్రాకెట్ పార్ట్, దెన్ వీ హావ్ టు సింప్లిఫై ఆఫ్ పార్ట్. If there is no off part, then division, then multiplication, addition, and finally subtraction. Okay. So, usually see many models are there, but we will discuss 1-2 problems. I am once again repeating, remaining problems or remaining types we are going to discuss in mathematical operations. Okay. That we will discuss in coming 1-2 sessions. Okay. Right. For example, how we can solve? Let's say I am taking one example. That example is he given like this. Okay. That example is, simplify this అన్నాడు. 5 into 5 divided by 5 plus 5 minus 5. He asked to find the value of that. యూజువల్గా దీనిపైన మనకు ఐడియా లేకపోతే ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? 5 into 5 divided by 5 plus 5 and finally minus 5. సో, క్వశ్చన్ పైన మనకు ఐడియా లేకపోతే కనుక ఏం చేస్తాం? 5 into 5 25. 25 divided by 5 అని తీసుకుంటాం. కానీ 5 into 5 అని చేస్తున్నాము అంటే ముందుగా ఏం చేస్తున్నట్టు? మల్టిప్లికేషన్. బట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు బాడ్మాస్ రూల్, సో ముందు చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి? డివిజన్. ఆ డివిజన్ పార్ట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాతనే వీ షుడ్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, later on addition, later on subtraction. Okay. So, means instead of multiplying 5 into 5, now what you will do? We have to divide this. 5 into, as usual, 5 divided by 5. How much I will get? 1 I will get. 5 ని 5 తో డివైడ్ చేశాను, సో 1 వచ్చింది. అండ్ ప్లస్ 5 ఈజ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్, మైనస్ 5 ఈజ్ యాజ్ యూజువల్. ఆ స్టెప్లో డివిజన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎగిరిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, అడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? మల్టిప్లికేషన్. 5 into 1 means 5. సో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ finished. then plus 5 minus 5. 5 plus 5 how much? 10. 10 minus 5 means how much? 5. Hence the simplified value of that is how much here? 5. That we did by using the concept of what? BODMAS rule. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, now based on this, by using this concept, we are going to solve mathematical coding concept. Okay, in our coding decoding chapter. Now we will see the problems based on BODMAS rule related to mathematical coding in coding decoding chapter. Okay, right. In that first question is as follows. In a certain code language, P means into, R means plus, T means divided by, and finally S means minus. I repeat this. In a certain code language, P means into, R means plus, T means divided by, S means minus. Then he asked to find the value of 18T, 3P, 9S, 8R, 6. I repeat this question once again. In a certain code language, P means into, R means plus, T means divided by, S means minus. Then find the value of 18T, 3P, 9S, 8R, 6. Now to find the value of this, now what we will do? We will take the corresponding codes. T means how much he mentioned? Divided by. What does it mean? 8 divided by 3. P means into, 9. S means minus. R means plus, and finally we are having 6. Okay, simply he only given P means into, R means plus, T means divided by, S means minus, and so on. So now we will find this value. I already told you this you have to simplify by using BODMAS rule concept. So first you have to simplify divided by, then multiplication, then addition, finally subtraction. Okay, so now first we will see division. ముందుగా దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేయండి. 18ని 3తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 18ని 3తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? 6. బికాజ్ 3 6 18. Division part is finished. Into 9 minus 8 plus 6. Now into is there, minus is there, plus is there. First you have to do the multiplication. What will get? 6 9s. 6 9s how much here? 54. 54 minus 8 plus 6. Okay, so now plus is there, minus is there. First you have to do the addition, then subtraction. 54 plus 6. Here plus is there, here also plus is there. That's why 54 plus 6 60. 60 minus 8. 60 minus 8 means how much I am getting? 52. Hence the final answer is 52. The only nothing is there in that. It is the concept of mathematical coding. Okay, so oka condition icharu. E given kind of coding. What is the given coding? In a certain code language, P means into, R means plus, T means divided by, S means minus, and so on. And he asked to find the value of this. So T place lo a signs, P place lo, S place lo, R place lo corresponding signs తీసుకున్నాను. అతను ఇచ్చిన సైన్స్ అకార్డింగ్ టు BODMAS రూల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆ నియమం ఆధారంగా ముందుగా డివిజన్, తర్వాత మల్టిప్లికేషన్, later on addition, and finally subtraction I did, and final answer is how much here? 52. Okay, this is one model in mathematical coding. Now we will discuss second model in mathematical coding. For example, in a certain code language, plus means divided by. In a certain code language, plus means divided by, minus means into, and into means minus, and finally divided by means plus. I repeat this question once again. In a certain code language, plus means divided by, minus means into means minus, divided by means plus. Then he asked to find the value of 16 divided by 8 minus 4 plus 2 into 4. He asked to find the value of this. Usually, see, divided by minus plus into is there. You should not apply BODMAS rule here directly because he asked to change the signs. What does it mean? Plus means how much he mentioned? Divided by. Instead of plus, what I have to take here? Divided by. Minus means how much here? Into. Instead of minus, I should take into. So, corresponding codes ఏవైతే తీసుకోమన్నాడో ఆ కోడ్స్ సింప్లిఫై చేసి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి then we have to apply the BODMAS rule concept. So what does it mean? 16 is as usual, divided by means what he mentioned? Plus 8, minus means what? Into 4, plus means what? Divided by. Okay, and finally into means what? Into means minus 4. Okay, our corresponding numbers తీసుకున్నాను. Divided by means plus, minus means into, plus means divided by, and finally into means minus. Okay, you have to apply the BODMAS rule concept for this step, not for this step. Okay, I hope you understood. So now we will simplify one by one. So see, ముందుగా ఏం చేయాలి? Divided by. According to BODMAS rule, first we have to do the division. What you will get? 16 plus 8 into 4 divided by 2. 4 ని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. How much I will get here? 2 I will get. Minus 4. Division part is finished. Next I have to do the multiplication. What will get? 16 plus 8 2s are 16 minus 4. Okay, multiplication part is finished. Finally addition. 16 plus 16. How much I am getting? 32. 32 minus 4. 32 minus 4 means how much I am getting? 28. Hence the answer for the given question is how much I am getting? 28. Similar, see, the concept involved in this here means instead of taking plus directly, plus means what he asked to take? Minus. Similarly, minus అంటే ఏం తీసుకోమన్నాడు? Into. Into అంటే ఏం తీసుకోమన్నాడు? Minus. And finally, divide by means ఏమన్నాడు? Plus. So, ఆ corresponding codes అనేవి so ఈ second step లో substitute చేసి for this second step we have to apply the BODMAS rule concept. So, we will get the answer for that. Hence, the final answer is how much here? 28 is the answer for this question. Now we will take one more question. Okay, see, for this model I am taking only 3 questions because I already told you remaining models or many models are there. Remaining all the models we are going to discuss in mathematical operations session. Okay, దాన్ని గణిత పరిక్రియలు అంటాం. ఆ సెషన్లో డీటెయిల్డ్గా చూద్దాం. ఓకే, రైట్, వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫైనల్ క్వశ్చన్. Okay, now one more question in mathematical coding. The question is as follows. In a certain code language, A means 16. Similarly, B means 9. C means 8 and D means 3. I repeat the question once again. In a certain code language, A means 16, B means 9, C means 8 and finally D means 3. Then find the value of C plus A into B divided by D. So he asked to find the value of this. I repeat the question once again. In a certain code language, A means 16, B means 9, C means 8 and finally D means 3. Then find the value of C plus A into B divided by D. He asked to find all these values. Now instead of these alphabets, there are numerical numbers are assigned for that. Now we have to take the corresponding numerical numbers. What will get here? C means 8. Instead of C, take 8 plus A means how much here? 16 into B means how much? 9 and finally D means how much here? 3. I substituted all these values. After getting all these values, now what I have to do? I have to apply the BODMAS rule concept. Okay, according to BODMAS, there is no bracket, there is no off. First we have to do the division concept. See, concept is same for all these 3 questions, but the way of asking question is different. I hope you are observing these three models. First model, second model, third model. These three are different models. Way of asking question is different, but all these models are based on BODMAS rule concept only. Okay, I hope you enjoyed or you understood what I am saying. Now apply BODMAS rule for this. First of all, you have to do the division. So 8 plus 16 into 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 means how much I am getting? 3. Now I have only two symbols. One is addition, another one is multiplication. So according to BODMAS rule, I have to do the only multiplication. So ముందుగా గుణించాలి, ఆ తర్వాతనే కలపడం చేయాలి. So 16 3s are 48. That's why 8 16 3s are 48. 48 plus 8. How much I am getting? 56. Hence the answer for the given question is how much here? 56. Okay, I repeat this question once again. In a certain code language, A means 16, B means 9, C means 8, D means 3. Then he asked to find the value of C plus A into B divided by D. ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత అని అడిగాడు. కరస్పాండింగ్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్కి ఆ ఇచ్చిన ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్కి సంబంధించిన న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ గెట్టింగ్ దిస్ స్టెప్. ఫర్ దిస్ స్టెప్ అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అప్లై ద BODMAS rule. So first of all division, then multiplication, finally addition. So hence answer is how much here? 56. Okay, we discussed only 3 models. Remaining models we will focus on next session, that is mathematical operations. Okay, so as of now we finished 3 models in coding decoding. That is, first one is letter coding, and the second one is number coding, and finally third one is mathematical coding. లెటర్ కోడింగ్లో కరస్పాండింగ్ లెటర్కి లెటరే కోడ్గా వస్తుంది. నెంబర్ కోడింగ్లో కరస్పాండింగ్ లెటర్కి నెంబర్ అనేది కోడ్గా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో దీంట్లో దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్. BODMASలోని బేస్ చేసుకొని చేయడం జరిగింది ఈ 3 మోడల్స్. స్టిల్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ 4 మోడల్స్ ఇన్ కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్, దట్ ఈజ్ సెంటెన్స్ కోడింగ్, conditional coding, substitution coding, and finally matrix coding. Okay, so all these coding, these remaining types we are going to discuss in next session. And before going to wind up, I need to say one more point. See, if you'll observe in these 3 sessions, what you understood, unless you don't know the numerical numbers of the alphabets, then you cannot solve any question. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఏ అంటే 1 అని, బి అంటే 2 అని, సి అంటే 3 అని, డి అంటే 4 అని, అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఎక్స్ మీన్స్ 24, వై మీన్స్ 25, జెడ్ మీన్స్ 26. ఈ న్యూమరికల్ నెంబర్స్ పైన మీకు అవగాహన లేనిది మీన్స్ ఇట్ మే టేక్ మోర్ టైమ్. సో ముందే కనుక మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చుంటే వీ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు సాల్వ్ ఈజీలీ, సో దట్ వీ కెన్ సేవ్ ద టైమ్ ఇన్ ఎగ్జామ్ హాల్. వీ కెన్ అటెంప్ట్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్. ఓకే, that's why every time I keep on saying try to learn the alphabets with numerical numbers. Okay, first 3 నేర్చుకున్నాం ఎలా సింపుల్గా. డోంట్ బై హార్ట్ దట్. ఫస్ట్ 3 ABC means 1 2 3. Finally last 3 means 24 25 26, that is X Y Z, and middle one is 13. 13th means what? M means 13, L means 12, and 15 means 14 means N. I repeat, middle one is 13, 13th one means what? M, preceding that is L, that is 12, succeeding one is 14, that is N. So ఈ మిడిల్లో ఉన్న 3 లెటర్స్ ఫస్ట్ 3, చివర్లో 3, తర్వాత T అంటాం. T means T20 అంటాం. దట్స్ వై T అంటే 20. దాని ముందు ఉన్న లెటరు S means 19. T తర్వాత U, that is 21. So 19th one is S, 20th one is T, 21st one is U. ఓకే, 9 లెటర్స్. సో ఈ విధంగా సిస్టమేటిక్గా నేర్చుకోండి. దాంతోపాటు ఎక్స్ప్రెసింగ్ సెకండ్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఇన్ రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్. అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? MN ఉంటే మెన్ అని, LO ఉంటే లవ్ అని, ఆ విధంగా IR ఉంటే ఇడ్లీ రవ్వ అని, దోశ వడ అని, కూకట్ పల్లి అని, తర్వాత JQ జాకీ కార్డ్ క్వీన్ కార్డ్ అని, A to Z అని, BY బాయ్ అని, EV ఈవినింగ్ అని, FU ఫర్ యూ అని, GT గాంధీ తాత అని, HS హైదరాబాద్ సికింద్రాబాద్ అని, ఆ తర్వాత JQ K మీన్స్ కూకట్పల్లి అని, L మీన్స్ LO లవ్ అని, ఆ విధంగా కొన్ని కోడ్స్ గుర్తుంచుకున్నాం. ఆ కోడ్స్ ద్వారా కూడా కొన్నిసార్లు కోడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో ట్రై టు ప్రాక్టీస్ మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దీస్ 3 మోడల్స్. definitely you will get the good comment on these 3. Okay, so remaining 4 types in coding decoding we are going to discuss in coming session. Thank you.